Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to see your draft videos on TikTok. That is very easy. All right, so let's get started. First step you have to take is, of course, open your TikTok app and log into your account. Next thing you want to do guys is to create and save a video as draft. So if you want to do that, click on the plus sign at the bottom area of your screen right here, and then what we just have to do is to record a video. So I'm going to hold the round record button, record, and then I'll just click on the backspace icon at the top left corner. If I do that, I'll get this option to save draft. I'll tap on that and it's saved. So what I just have to do next, if I want to see my draft videos, is to first of all tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. All right, so once you do that, immediately you are going to see your draft video right here just before you start seeing your videos on TikTok. Right, so it's that easy guys. So this is how you can actually see your draft videos on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.